Guys, this is a small town in Alaska, some 320 miles north of the Arctic Circle, which is unique in several ways that people get fascinated about it. It is in this town where the sun doesn't set or rise for months, where temperatures drop from negative 10 to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit or even lower, and where snowfall is a year-round affair. It's like you go to a place and the place goes into you. This town is the subject of my latest book, a place called Utqiagvik, a photo essay journey of my 8-year sojourn in Barrow, now Utqiagvik, which is an Inupiat name that refers to a place for gathering roots like potatoes. During its initial launch, some more than 3 months ago, right in Utqiagvik itself, it generated a great deal of excitement and interest among residents and those who traveled from other places and found work in Utqiagvik. Sales were impressive. Some bought more than one copy for themselves. I guess they would share the words about the book so that others would know about this place, which is about 1,300 miles from the North Pole. Ben Kisser, now a brewer, Director of Community Services at Inupiat Community of the Arctic Slope, has this to say about the book. I commend Romy for having the courage to write about his experience and to share that experience with others. I encourage others, especially those new to Utqiagvik, to read a place called Utqiagvik, to know that they are not alone in their new experience in the Arctic. To know that though there are hard things, they too can see the beauty of this rural community. Jen gladly took 3 copies. A place called Utqiagvik is a composite of essays, feature articles, journal entries, poems, and photographs about the bone-chilling weather, the year-round snowfall, the 24-hour day and night, the whale hunting tradition, and the incredible and lovely polar bears, foxes, the northern lights dancing on a clear blue night sky, and the kindness of the native Alaskan that I have experienced during my stay in that place. Through this book, I hope to immortalize the uniqueness of this small town in the northernmost part of Alaska so people will know about it. The book is also now available on Amazon. If you would want a signed copy, you can message me on Facebook Messenger. Or if you live anywhere here in Anchorage or in Wasilla or in Palmer or anywhere, you can swing by at my place here in Anchorage and the book will be ready for you. Thank you, Kuya Nak. Good day and good night.